Following the announcement of the COVID-19 outbreak in Wuhan, Filipinos had anxiety about contracting the disease since there are thousands of Chinese tourists and even workers coming in the country every month. This also amplified racism or xenophobia towards the Chinese and the Chinese-Filipino community here in the Philippines. The Philippine government wasn't really very quick on dismissing rumors about confirmed cases in the Philippines. So since there was a vacuum of reliable information, people tended to rely on information gathered by other netizens, which can be inaccurate or unverified, but still, people share it because this is the only information that they could find. This is what the World Health Organization calls an infodemic, or the overabundance of information that may or may not be true. This presents a danger as it allows people to be faced with information that could harm them. As the world continues to face a global health emergency concerning the new coronavirus disease, officially called COVID-19, people continue to go online looking for whatever information they can find about it. One notable observation that VERAFILES observed during the COVID-19 outbreak is that this information spread and was amplified through private messaging. Because people got information from people that they know, for example, their parents or family members or friends, even though if it's information that's unreliable, unverified, or inaccurate, people tended to share it to other people that they know because it came from people that they trust. Filipinos are heavy social media users. And currently, there's a lot of information going around social media that's about the COVID-19, which aren't necessarily true. However, people accept this and interpret this to be true because of this thing that we call confirmation bias. Confirmation bias happens when somebody shares something just because it confirms something that they already believe in. And this confirmation bias is what contributed to the spread of disinformation and misinformation about COVID-19 on social media. The new coronavirus was discovered just recently, and because of this, new information about it continues to be put out every day. This may have contributed to the lag in information coming from the government. Misinformation about COVID-19, however, has pushed the government to become more active in battling misinformation about it. They have started to warn people about the spreading of misinformation about COVID-19 from unreliable sources, and it has also pushed them to give weekly detailed updates about COVID-19 cases in the country. How do you fight misinformation on COVID-19? Don't share anything from unverified sources. Always check your sources. Only share information from the World Health Organization, credible health authorities, and the media. Got something that needs fact-checking? Have it verified. Send us a message at fb.com/verafiles or go to our website.